Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I will discuss the latest topic about the stock market. I will discuss the news of the stock market, daily what is happening in the stock market. Those who have come new to this my channel, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then you will get the knowledge about the share markets, daily news about the share markets, as well as I do the reviews of the IPOs as well as NCDs, all the FDs, etc available in the market. So do not forget to press the bell icon. If you press it, then you will get the first notification and you will not miss any video from my side. This is Nikunj from Tax Vichar. So let's start. Corporate news. Indigo to soon respond to MCA on alleged violation of the corporate governance and related party transactions. BHEL gets Rs 7.5 billion order from NTPC-Railways JV. Colgate India appoints Mr. Raghavan as new MD. Ultratech Cement to complete Century Textiles Cement business unit merged by September 2019. Airtel Reliance Jio plan HUL tariff for the new customer connections. Power demand market grows by 7.4% year to year in June 2019. SEBI proposes additional disclosure for auditor resignations. Management speaks. Ravneet Gill, MD and CEO, Yes Bank, said the bank needs capital for growth and not to fix balance sheet. Abidali Neemuchwala, CEO, Wipro, said the growth will be faster if macro environment with respect to trade tariff and Brexit eases.